GoHighLevel just announced that starting this week, they're making all of their AI features completely free. They're calling it the summer of AI. And this is huge because now you can use features like Ask AI, AI Studio, Workflow AI, and more completely free. And if you've been on the fence about starting an AI agency or adding AI services to your business, this just removed every excuse you had. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and over the last 12 months, we generated over $5 million in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is. And I've been using HighLevel's AI features every single day to run my agency. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through all 6 AI features that are now free, show you how I'm already using some of them, and explain exactly how you can use them to start or grow an AI agency this summer. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, Ask AI, the update that changed everything for me. All right, let's start with the big one. Ask AI is the feature I use the most in my agency. It's an AI assistant built directly into HighLevel that can create content, do research, schedule posts, build carousels, and handle real business tasks for you. And this is the feature that I recently used to sell my first $500 monthly AI service. So let me show you what it can do. First, content creation. In a recent video, I showed you how I created 33 social media posts for a real business in about 10 minutes. I typed one prompt telling Ask AI to act as an elite social media marketer and create the post. I pasted in the business website URL and it researched the brand, pulled the colors, and generated 33 posts with graphics and captions organized into categories: brand story posts, educational tips, before and after transformations, social proof, and more. Then I typed a second prompt to enhance the designs. Make the headlines bigger and bolder, lock in the brand colors, add dramatic lighting. And it upgraded every single post. Then a third prompt to schedule everything to Facebook. It built a full content calendar and picked the best posting times. 3 prompts: create, enhance, schedule. That's the entire delivery for a client's monthly social media, but it goes way beyond just image posts. I also used Ask AI to create viral Instagram carousel posts. One prompt and it generated 5 professionally designed carousel slides with captions, hashtags, and a content calendar. Then I asked for 5 more carousel topics and it created 25 more slides in the same style. You could create 2 or 3 months of carousel content in one sitting. Then there's scheduled tasks. You can set a prompt to run automatically every week. I set up a task called weekly social media posts for a plumbing client. I gave it the prompt, set it to run once a week, and then I completely closed my browser. When I came back, 7 fully branded social media posts were sitting there waiting for me. I didn't type a single thing. The task ran in the background while I was doing other things. And then there's the memory feature. You can save a client's brand details, content style, and best performing formats to Ask AI's memory. Then in a brand new conversation, you just say, create next month's post using the brand from memory, and it pulls everything in automatically. No re-explaining, no re-uploading logos, it just works. I tested this by creating a series of viral plumbing posts, a husband version and a wife version, saved them to memory, opened a completely fresh chat, and asked for a third post in the series. The AI recalled everything and created a perfect match. I also used Ask AI for prospecting. I typed one prompt asking it to find 25 small businesses in the dental niche in the Atlanta metro area that don't have a social media presence. And within minutes, it came back with a full table: practice names, cities, social media signals, and opportunity notes explaining why each one is a good prospect. It even ranked the top 5 highest value targets. I verified a few on Google and Facebook, and the AI was right. Legitimate businesses with virtually no social media. This one feature alone is enough to run an entire social media management service. And now it's free all summer. By the way, this is the perfect time to try HighLevel if you haven't already. Use my link in the description below to sign up, and you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course completely free. All right, let's keep going. Chapter 2, AI Studio. Build anything without code. AI Studio is the feature that surprised me the most. It's a full page builder powered by AI where you describe what you want and it builds it for you. Websites, landing pages, sales pages, checkout flows, and more. And it doesn't just slap together a generic template, it actually uses brand guides, analyzes content, and builds something that looks like you hired a professional developer. Let me show you what I did with it. Take a look at the quiz lead magnet I built for an accounting firm. It has several questions and even gives you an estimated savings at the end. But I took it a step further and built a complete mini web app for a tax firm where users can sign up, identify tax strategies, and see estimated savings. And if they have more questions, schedule a meeting with the firm right inside the app. But I wanted to build something for myself too. So I created a digital product, an SOP on how to make YouTube videos with a digital twin. I spent some time mapping out the process and used some AI tools to put together my initial document. Then I took it to AI Studio. I gave it the SOP table of contents, a screenshot of my YouTube analytics showing over 300,000 views, a photo of myself holding my YouTube award plaque, and told it to match my website branding. And it went to work. It used 11 different tools and built a complete sales page, hero section, proof section, a full 13 module table of contents layout, and a checkout section. All branded, all professional. Then I asked it to build a high converting checkout page with Stripe integration. It generated the contact form, payment details, order summary, and gave me the Stripe connection options. Then I asked it to create a secure delivery system so only buyers could access the product. And it built a 5-step system. Unique access codes generated at purchase, a success page showing the code, an access portal for code entry, and a secure viewer page. All connected, all automated. I didn't write a single line of code, although for this part, I did have to connect an external database. Now think about how you use this for clients. A client needs a landing page for a new promotion. Open AI Studio, describe the page, and it's done. A client wants a booking page, done. Need to build out a full lead generation funnel with a quiz, form, and thank you page? You can have that ready before the onboarding call is even over. You're building things in minutes that used to take days or cost hundreds of dollars to outsource. Chapter 3, Workflow AI. Automate your entire backend. This one is for anyone who wants to set up automations but has always been intimidated by workflow builders. Workflow AI lets you describe what you want in plain English, and it builds the entire automation for you. Triggers, conditions, wait steps, and actions. No dragging and dropping. No configuring each step manually. You just tell it what you need. So let's say you land a new social media client. You want an automation that sends them a welcome email, waits 2 days, then sends a questionnaire to collect their brand assets, waits for the response, and then notifies you that they're ready for onboarding. Before, you'd have to manually build every step of that workflow. Now you just describe it in one message and Workflow AI creates the whole thing. Or let's say you want to set up a review request system for a client. After a service is completed, the system waits 24 hours, then sends a text asking for a review with a direct link to their Google business profile. If they don't respond in 3 days, it sends a follow-up. You describe that and it's built. Or a missed call text back. A customer calls, nobody picks up, and the system automatically sends a text saying, "Hey, we missed your call. How can we help?" One sentence and Workflow AI creates it. Here's the thing. Every single client you onboard needs automations. Follow-up sequences, review requests, appointment reminders, lead nurture campaigns, missed call text backs. These used to take hours to set up for each client. Now you can describe what you need and have a working automation in seconds. That means faster onboarding, less tech work, and more time selling. Chapter 4, Funnel AI informs AI, client assets in minutes. These two features work together and they're going to save you a ridiculous amount of time when onboarding new clients. Funnel AI lets you build entire funnels and landing pages from a prompt. You've got 2 modes. Assist mode, where you pick a niche, goal, tone, and layout, and it generates the page. And build mode, where you type a freeform prompt describing exactly what you want. You can even paste a competitor's URL or upload a screenshot of a page you like, and the AI will reconstruct that layout with your client's content and branding. Forms AI works the same way, but specifically for forms. Need a client onboarding questionnaire? Describe it and it's built. Need a multi-step intake survey for a dental office? Done. Need a survey that routes satisfied customers to leave a 5-star review? Done. You can even create conditional forms where the next question changes based on what the person selects, like a dental intake form that asks different follow-up questions depending on whether someone selects routine cleaning or emergency visit. And here's what makes this powerful inside HighLevel. Every form submission can automatically trigger CRM updates, workflows, and pipeline moves. No Zapier, no third-party integrations, everything stays connected inside one platform. So when someone fills out that contact form on the landing page you just built with Funnel AI, it could create a contact in the CRM, move them into a pipeline, and kick off the follow-up automation you built with Workflow AI. Because all of these features talk to each other. Here's the play. When you're selling a $500 a month social media package, being able to throw in a custom lead magnet and capture form to convert followers is brilliant. The client sees a branded landing page, a professional contact form, and automated follow-ups all set up on day one. And since AI is building these in minutes, it costs you almost nothing to deliver. Chapter 5, Email AI, on-brand emails without a copywriter. Feature pulls directly from your brand board, your fonts, colors, and logo, and generates full email drafts from a simple prompt. You can also give it a reference image or a URL from an email you like, and it will match that style. So let's say you're running a promotion for a client. You type create a promotional email for a summer HVAC tune-up special, $49 for a limited time. Include urgency and a clear call to action to book online. And it generates a fully designed on-brand email ready to send. You can iterate on it conversationally, make the headline bigger, add a customer testimonial, change the CTA button to red, and it updates in real time. It even keeps version history, so you can go back to earlier drafts if you want. Now here's where this fits into an agency model. If you're already managing social media for a client, adding email marketing is one of the easiest upsells. Most small businesses know they should be sending emails, but they don't have the time, the design skills, or the copywriting ability to do it. That's where you come in. With Email AI, you can batch create an entire email nurture sequence in one sitting. Welcome emails for new leads, promotional blasts for seasonal offers, re-engagement campaigns for customers who haven't visited in a while, appointment reminders, all branded to the client automatically because Email AI pulls from the brand board you already set up. And you can combine this with the automations you built in Workflow AI. Set up a workflow that sends a welcome email when a new lead fills out the form, then follows up 3 days later with a special offer, then sends a reminder a week after that. The emails are designed by Email AI, the timing is handled by Workflow AI, and the lead came from a page you built with Funnel AI. Every feature connects to the next. That's another service you can add on top of social media management. And the cost to deliver it just dropped to almost zero because the AI is handling the design and the copy. You're just prompting, reviewing, and sending. All 6 of these AI features are free starting June 1st for the entire summer. That gives you everything you need to start and run an AI agency with almost zero overhead over the next 90 days. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start, this is it. There are no more excuses. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I show you exactly how I sold my first $500 monthly AI service. I walk you through the offer, how to deliver it, how to find clients, and how to onboard them. So go watch that next if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.